Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be making some orange chicken. So the things you're going to need is some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This one came in an 8-pack for about 10 bucks. And then I just cut everything into little tiny pieces. So they're about like 1 inch, 1.5 inch. So you want to cut everything up. And then for the batter, I am using some tempura batter mix. Now this one is really good. You just mix it with water and that's it. Just water and the flour. This one's really good and it comes out really crispy. And then for the sauce, I am using a little bit of the orange sauce from Panda Express and the Beijing sweet and tangy sauce. We have the chicken in the batter. I have a pot with some oil. For this one, I used canola oil and I filled it up about 1/2 inch. You can also use peanut oil or vegetable oil. And it is on low heat. Okay, so now that these have been frying for about 4 minutes and they are golden brown, you can take them out. And I also put a plate with some towels just to drain the oil. So they should come out like this. I'm gonna do the whole batch and then I'll be right back.